You know, I'm not even gonna lie. With the way that everything's been going with quarantine, with a pandemic, the entire government falling apart, things have been pretty hectic and kind of crazy. So, I've been in a little bit of an existential crisis, but I feel like it's a good time to snap out of that. And I don't know, just it feels like a good time to not be feeling so lost. So I thought we'd start with an easy project today. My friend actually asked me to fix her skirt for her. Technically my size, but for the purposes of this demonstration, it'll make sense. You cannot see the length, but it is actually like grazing my toes. So this is basically dragging on the floor if she's not wearing heels. And you don't always feel like wearing heels, you know? So we're gonna fix it. This was supposed to be a midi length skirt. I think I need to make this a little easier to see. How are we going to do this? I don't know. Can you see it? Probably not, but that's okay. Anyway, so this is like the length of the skirt. It is literally at my toes. I actually measured it on her and it has these buttons. So we figured when I measured her that it would make sense for it to hit right around the 4th button. So that's what we're going to do. This just feels like a more fashionable, flattering length. Let's do it. I also ordered strawberry fabric. That'll be like in another video because obviously like it's not going to get here right away. And I know it's fall and like, why would I order strawberry fabric when it's literally fall? But hear me out. I just want to make it. Like, I don't even care if it's not summer or spring anymore. Like, I'll save it for Valentine's Day. Plus, like, I live in California, so what does it really matter if I buy summery fabrics? So I thought that I had actually measured this up to the 4th button, but it turns out I have 5 loops, but I only took off 4 buttons, and I think what happened was button had actually fallen off because the other 4 you can tell that I had clipped them. And this last one doesn't have any like remaining threads or anything, so I do think that it actually fell off. So apparently we're going up to the 5th button. Not exactly a, you know, fantastic unit of measurement, but I didn't have any measuring tape on me, kind of working with what we got. Also, this is kind of weird. It's kind of pulling a bit. I don't really know why. That does kind of make things difficult because the intention was to cut off the same amount the whole way around, but now I'm kind of thinking that's not really going to be possible since the hem isn't even the whole way around. process is going pretty well so far. We're pretty much done with all of the like button plackets and just sewing all of that back up after removing the loops. And it looks pretty good, actually. Now is the worst part, which is the hem. All right, we're all done. It's a lot shorter than it was before. And you're not gonna be able to see it. This is the new length, and honestly, it looks so much better, and it was really easy to fix. So yeah, that's it. That's all for today. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.